Purchase it. Number 3 is liquid bearings for all sunroof lubrication. One product stands out when finding the best 3D printer lubricant for bearings. This incredible lubricant is a game changer for all your printing needs. Imagine a lubricant that's 100% synthetic and perfect for all types of mechanisms. It's like a superhero for your printer, ready to save the day. What sets number 3 liquid bearings apart is its ability to immediately displace those sticky old petro-oils or sprays. Say goodbye to frustrating jams and hello to smooth, effortless printing. Plus, it's safe for all plastics, finishes, and painted surfaces. No need to worry about damaging your precious machine. Whether your printer has metal or plastic moving parts, this lubricant is a dream come true. It ensures optimal performance and longevity for your bearings. And guess what? It comes with 3 needle lengths, 1/2, 1.5, and the extra long 3 so you can easily reach every nook and cranny. With number 3 liquid bearings, your 3D printer will glide like a champ, producing flawless prints every time. The secret ingredient transforms your printing experience into a joyous adventure. So if you want to purchase the lubricant, check out the link in the description box below.